that God has given to us. Since I'm your friend, I want to say I'm a believer friend.
Yeah, because Christ Jesus. Can you help me understand more about Jesus?
Yeah, you may come to our church with our Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, I almost said God. Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Wow, I'm surprised. Merry Christmas. Wait, I need to say sorry to the guy.
Yeah, you should.
I am sorry, Peter. I won't do that again. And also with you, Marie and Lester. Hoping you guys are not mad at me anymore. You are forgiven, Kuya William. What is important is you are forgiven. Yeah, that's right, William. Thank you, guys. By the way, our friend Aaron is inviting us to the church Christmas party. Would you like to come with us? Sure, we want to come! Yay!